Hey guys, I thought I'd do a unboxing video as I recently got a tablet. I didn't get it off like pay straight away. I got it off Ferry as everything is paid off on Ferry now, so I bought this. So this is the tablet I've got. No, it's not Apple because I want a bigger gigabyte and I like to put in the storage, so I got a Samsung Tab A. And I got a 34GB one, but obviously I can update the gigabytes, so that's what it looks like. So as you open it up, it's not easy to do it in one hand. I got it in grey because it was either black or white, no, black or grey, so I got it in grey. This is a tablet, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. So it comes with this starter guide, because as you guys know, I always unbox Apple products. So today is a Samsung product, but you weren't expecting that, were you? But yeah, this is a quick start guide. I haven't read it yet. You got the SIM tool to remove the thing, so it's there. And then also just a quick start up guide, tell you how to charge it and stuff. And also a warranty card, which we won't really bother into because it's just a setup thing. I don't read manuals because I just been at work all day. The last thing I want to do is sit and read manuals. Next thing we got is the cable and the, I think that's it. Yeah, and this thing, whatever this is, oh, it's the Samsung charger. And then obviously this is what the box looks like. I have to get a case because I haven't got one yet. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, it's upside down. I read on the reviews and this one was the best one because I didn't want to buy it and then it be so I got it because it was the best reviews. So, It's got a few marks on it already, like fingerprints, because I've already played with it to just set it up and stuff because it takes ages. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I've already set it up. So yeah, excuse the fingerprints. I need to get a case for it. So this is what it looks like on the back. And it is huge, I love it. And this is what it looks like on the front. So just start it up. It sounds like a computer. Here it is, Samsung. Samsung's a good brand, so I went for Samsung because I know that they are good. Sorry. Long day. Taking a while to set up. And there it is. Don't know if you can see. Hang on, let's turn down the visibility. That's what it looks like. And it's face recognition. But yeah, this is what it looks like. If you guys would like me to do what's on my tablet, Samsung tablet, comment down below. That was the end of my unboxing video. I'm sorry it was very short, but this is what I've got. It came today and I'm super impressed with it. Like I said, I got to get a case and stuff because I don't trust myself. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go on eBay now and have a look at their cases. And if you guys would like me to do an unboxing of that case. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I shall speak to you in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, I thought I'd put this up after my unboxing clip. This gentleman named Absolute Acidy, sorry if I can't pronounce your name, is giving away a London City Pikachu. So if you download his books, you're automatically entered into a draw to win a London City Pikachu. I'm reading this off a thingy because I'm crap at describing. So this gentleman has 2 books released already. If you enter both of the books that he has released, you will be entered twice into the competition. If you're generally interested in his books, then please purchase them. But if you, like I said, if you're interested in winning a London-sized Pikachu, a London one, if you guys like noticed the Pokemon Center, they have the Pikachus. If you go subscribe to this guy and buy one of his books, or even 2 of the books that he has released, he's released 2 books that he'll probably have in his description down below, you'll be automatically enrolled in the competition. So yeah, so I thought I would add this on at the end. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to him, he has recently done a vlog of his new workout home. So if you'd like to go subscribe to him, his description box will be down below for you to go and check it out, and also buy one of his new books and a previous book that he has written. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will speak to you in my next video.